I don't worry about you tomorrow. Favor is my name on for person wey dey alive. Super life for part 33 and 34. Super life for part 33 and 34. This one on a true life story of Omobobo Kingdom, where every member of the land they pass through plenty stress before they go get their daily bread. This plenty stress come begin to affect some members of the kingdom because of their boss come begin the week with plenty body pain. So now here one of the great sons of the land where them they call him Malay Burger with his betrothed the Chi Love come rush enter Obodo Yibo Kingdom where they come meet the super life world wey give them the original and the complete solution to fibroid, stroke, low sperm count, and them also get a better one wey go nourish the body in good health and they balance all the immune system to fight against infections and the virus. So super life will even get a SCC 15 will be completely cured to cancer of the brain and any brain related problem. Teacher and plus 234-913-724-3176. Super life ambassador at levelupprice.com. This movie is marketed and distributed worldwide by even after you buy super life product movie ventures chapter 13 you fit still register as a member of super life to enjoy enough goodies plaza Malaysia. Super life for part 33 and 34. My brother hustle make you no go wait until you go begin talk to yourself before you go know say your brain don spoil. Take it super life world products now.